folks, I have a tenor ukulele to show you today. I'm really proud of this one. It's one of these instruments that I made all from salvage and scrap wood, but it's just a beautiful, honest instrument, and I really like it. It's a tenor. The back and sides are all African mahogany. I believe this is sapele, and this is wood that I got right when I first got started, still living in Colorado. And it was from a guitar maker's estate sale where they had sides but no matching tops and backs, but the side pieces are big enough to make these out of. And I've used this a ton over the years and just recently made a few stock instruments out of it, out of kind of nostalgia. But it's a, it's a really beautiful wood that's got a good open sound. I really like it. So top, back, and sides is that African mahogany. No binding, but a little rope rosette. And then for the neck, it's a 5-piece neck of fir and maple, and that's just some scrap wood from other projects. Then some maple up here too. And everything got a little bit of stain, just to kind of give it a rustic look, which I really like. And then as a reminder that all of us are flawed, all of us are beautiful anyway, in the maple heel cap, I picked a piece with a little hairline crack in it. I just like little details like that, give you something to think about while you play your music. So yeah, it's got a low G on it right now, and it's a really nice instrument. Yeah, so this is number 751, and it's going to be for sale on our website in just a little bit. So thanks for looking. Cheers.